I'm Todd Underwood, and I'm a faculty member in biology. And this semester, I'm teaching an environmental biology lab, and that's why we're out on the trail today. Every year in environmental biology, we have a service project out in the field where we work on restoring some kind of habitat. And today we're here at the Sacony Trail where we are planting native shrubs, and we are removing some of the invasive shrubs and trying to restore this riparian forest. So this is really a great experience for them to see some of these problems we've been talking about in the class and in the lab. Invasive plants are a big problem in our disturbed landscapes around the Kutztown area. And so they're getting to learn what some of these are and ways to remove and control them. And it helps, get this trail back in order, restoring the forest and the canopy here, which is important, habitat for the fish in the creek and the birds that stop over to feed here while they're migrating north. And this is really a beloved trail in the community. Lots of use by residents, college students as well. We hear lots of thanks from the residents when they walk the trail and see us planting, and they really want to see the forest come back here as well.